Do you know what happens here? So basically, the idea behind this question is actually in order to learn type coercion in JavaScript. So what is type coercion? In JavaScript, type coercion is actually JavaScript convert one data type to another data type in order to do certain operations. That what actually happens here. So when we run this code, it's actually output like a concatenated string. So both left and right hand side actually an array, but JavaScript actually converting this array into string and then concatenating that string to get this output. So I will explain to deeply. So what actually happens here is we can manually write it like 1 comma 2 or space here to string. At the end it will get an output of 1 comma 2. Then 3 comma 4 get an output of. So both of them, when we concatenate both of them, it will become 1 comma 2 3 4. This is actually happen here. So even if an empty array, for example, it is an empty array, imagine it will become an empty string there. So empty string plus an empty string is equal to an empty string. So I will avoid this numbers from this array. See, there is an empty blank space. So this is actually what happened behind the scenes of type code. So let me show that like manually how we can do that. So I will store it in a variable, these two portions. Let p. So when we console a plus b, let's comment it out like from here. So it will become same result, but we actually manually do this. So the same thing actually happens in the question, your question also. So it's actually done by JavaScript. Here we did it manually. So that's a basic concept behind this thing.